Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. In today's lecture of Unit 1, Poetry Time, today we will learn some new vocabulary words, their meanings, and then you will use those words in your creative sentences. And at the end, we will be identifying the features in the two poems that we read today. So, let's get started. First of all, let us come to know about the new vocabulary words of the first poem, Two Little Kittens. The first word is stormy, quarrel, broom, frost, shivered. Now let's come to the second poem, Friends. Repeat the words after me. Gum tree, furry, dollop, chimpanzee, glee. Now that we know some of the new words, let's see their meanings. Stormy means strong wind with heavy rain and thunder. Quarrel means having an argument or disagreement between two people. Broom is a brush with a long handle used for cleaning the floor. Frost is when the ground is covered in ice crystals. Shivered means to shake slightly and uncontrollably as a result of being cold. Gum tree is a tree that releases gum. Furry means hairy. Dollop is a small or large amount of soft food, or you can say a lump. Chimpanzee is a small, very intelligent African ape with black or brown fur. Glee means joy or happiness. Now that you know the new words and their meanings, learn them by heart and then use these words in your creative sentences and write them on a loose sheet. Now let us get to our actual topic, Two Little Kittens, which is a poem, and this is included in the reading section. So I want you to read this poem on page number 6 and 7. And after that, read the second poem, Friends, which is on page number 8. Once you have read the poem, let's come to the activity. And in this activity, you have to identify the features in the two poems as on pages 2 and 3. What you actually have to do is, after reading the poems, have to identify the main idea and see whether the poem has a rhyming scheme or not, and write them down on a loose sheet.